In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell emotes on Etsy. We'll walk through creating your emotes, preparing the files correctly, setting up your listing, and publishing it so customers can buy and download them instantly. Start by creating your emotes in a drawing or illustration app such as Clip Studio Paint or Photoshop. Keep a consistent style and high contrast so the designs read well at small sizes. When you're done, export each emote as a PNG file with a transparent background in the three required sizes: 112 by 112, 56 by 56, and 28 by 28 pixels. Name your files clearly, and if you have multiple files, compile them into a single RAR archive to make delivery clean and simple for buyers. Next, open your browser, search for Etsy, click the official link, and log in. Once you're in, go to your account, then choose Account Settings. From the left sidebar, select Listings. This is where you'll manage your shop's products. Click the Add a Listing button in the top right corner. When prompted, type Emotes, pick the most accurate category, and click Continue. This helps Etsy understand what you're selling and makes it easier for buyers to find your work. Add a clear, keyword-rich title that describes the set, such as how many emotes are included and the intended platforms. Avoid keyword stuffing. Aim for clarity and accuracy. Upload eye-catching photos that showcase your emotes. Consider mock-ups that show how the emotes look on a chat background, so buyers can imagine them in use. Good lighting, clean backgrounds, and readable previews make a big difference. Upload your digital files and write a detailed description. Include what buyers get: file sizes, format, transparent background, how to use the files, and any usage terms you want to set, such as personal use or streaming use. Clear expectations reduce support questions later. Set your price and quantity. Because this is a digital product, you can typically leave quantity high. Under Details, add accurate attributes like materials, digital, width, and height, and include relevant tags so your listing appears in the right searches. Since this is a digital item, there's no shipping or processing setup needed. Specify your return policy if you have one. Many digital sellers choose no returns and decide whether the listing should renew automatically. Click Preview to see how your listing will appear to customers. Check your images, title, and description, and make sure everything looks good on both desktop and mobile. When you're satisfied, click Publish. Your emotes are now live and ready for instant download after purchase.